Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this gaming controller I got here. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and then try it on our Windows computer over here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so as we open it, oops, I guess I gotta open it this way here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, there's instructions, I guess. Information for it. I got a bad hand. This is our controller here, and then we have the little receiving device over here. So that is the USB. I guess that's just it. It's USB, and then we have a USB-C charger on there. Got a couple of switches there, I guess, for different modes. We have, the classic RT, LT, LB, RB, and all our other buttons as well. Very cool. Let's see what's over here. And under here we have our cable for charging and stuff. It's USB to USB-C. So super cool. So let's go ahead and try to set this thing up on my Windows computer over here. Can't really show you my screen, but I can show you the little controller here. So we've got it connected up. It went into the USB mode, and I can go back. I can do turbo mode, and if I push the buttons, you can feel it goes. It has a vibrate mode. I guess you guys can. We have the easy moving buttons. These are cool too. If you look at them, they've kind of got a little bit of see-throughness behind them. It's really responsive. As I'm clicking, it is just adjusting, and I just have it on a test screen currently right now. But it is cool, and it is a really nice little one here. We have different settings here. We have the mode right now with our little connector. I guess you could also connect it through Bluetooth, I guess right there. Curious what that is. Let me just try it out just for fun. Connect it to Bluetooth and see what happens on my Mac. Bluetooth settings. Let's see. Search to find the Bluetooth device. Oh, it does. It finds a Xbox wireless controller is what it's called. So that's what it connects to. So now I am connected to my Xbox wireless controller on my Mac. Not really doing anything because I don't have any app open. But okay, so we have the Bluetooth mode as well. I'm not sure what NS and A app are, but those are different modes, I guess. And so we have our different settings and everything like that. And it seems like a really nice controller. So if you're into gaming, and the response is like so immediate. Like I looked at it, and I don't know, it was doing some timer on the other computer, and it was just super fast. So very cool. So great little device here. If you need a gaming controller, I mean, this one here probably can't be beat. I mean, I'm gonna say this one here does it all. It has a lot of different connections. I think on Bluetooth it wouldn't be quite as fast as when it connects to its little dongle piece right here. That's probably gonna be the quickest connection, just FYI. But very cool. So I'm gonna say this is awesome, a winner, thumbs up for sure.